everyone! Welcome back to Earn Online with Rabina. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Hollywood and one of its most enigmatic stars. So, who is Nicolas Cage? Nicolas Cage, born Nicolas Kim Coppola, comes from a family deeply rooted in the film industry. He's the nephew of legendary director Francis Ford Coppola. Despite this, he chose to change his last name to Cage to avoid nepotism accusations and forge his own path. Nicolas Cage's career is a roller coaster of roles, from action-packed blockbusters like Con Air and Face/Off to the critically acclaimed Leaving Las Vegas, which earned him an Academy Award. What sets Cage apart is his eclectic film choices. He's known for his willingness to take on unconventional roles, making each character uniquely his own. From Vampire's Kiss to Mandy, he's not afraid to push boundaries. Nicolas Cage has left an indelible mark on Hollywood, and his passionate dedication to his craft has made him an enduring icon. He continues to captivate audiences with his enigmatic performances. In conclusion, Nicolas Cage is a Hollywood legend known for his versatility, unique choices, and undeniable charisma. Whether you love him for his action-packed adventures or his thought-provoking dramas, there's no denying the impact he's had on the silver screen. That's it for today's Earn Online with Rabina segment on Nicolas Cage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.